Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to check out 3 best cheapest drone. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's start the video. Number 3. Unique Yunku Mantis Q, Portable 4K Camera Drone. Mantis Q, the foldable and convenient travel drone, for small and big adventures alike. It listens to you through the power of voice control, and watches you with visual tracking, following you wherever you go. Whether you're backpacking, on a road trip, or with your family at the beach, Mantis Q's energy-efficient design stays airborne for up to 33 minutes. And provides you with extraordinary photos and video clips from above. Just smile at your drone. If you like. Once activated, the face recognition takes a picture of you as soon as it sees your face in a distance of up to 4 meters. The Mantis takes pictures with a resolution of 4800 by 2700 or 4160 by 3120 pixels in JPEG or PNG format. Videos up to 1920 by 1080 are electronically stabilized over 2 axes. The integrated camera can be tilted up to 20° upwards, and 90° downwards during flight. The Mantis flight controller is based on the familiar open-source project P/4, which is known for being extremely stable and reliable. It's one of the best quadcopter. Number 2. DJI Mavic Air Camera Drone. 3-axis gimbal camera. The Mavic Air is the most portable DJI drone to house a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, with its angular vibration range reduced to 0.005 degree. Set in a triangular formation, gimbal dampeners help create even steadier shots. 32MP sphere panoramas. In addition to horizontal, vertical, and 180-degree panoramas, the Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together, in just 8 seconds to create crystal clear, 32-megapixel sphere panoramas. One view them from an immersive perspective with DJI goggles. 4K 100 Mbps video. The Mavic Air shoots video at an incredible 4K 30 fps. Recording at 100 Mbps to capture every second with UHD quality. Slow motion video. With support for recording 1080 pixel, 120 fps slow motion video, the Mavic Air captures all your epic high-speed adventures. HDR photos. New HDR algorithms help you obtain the right exposure settings intelligently, according to lighting conditions. Overexposed or dark areas are processed for more natural transitions between highlights and shadows, while DSP acceleration allows for more efficient shooting. Without these, the drone comes with 8 GB internal storage. Geometric elegance. 3D foldable design. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone. Mavic 2 Pro, Hasselblad camera made in Sweden. Hasselblad cameras are renowned for their iconic ergonomic design, uncompromising image quality, and Swedish craftsmanship. Since 1941, Hasselblad cameras have captured some of the world's most iconic images, including the first moon landing. Co-engineered in partnership with Hasselblad, after 2 years of tireless research, the Mavic 2 Pro comes equipped with the all-new Hasselblad L1D20C camera, which possesses Hasselblad's unique Hasselblad Natural Color solution, helping users capture gorgeous 20-megapixel aerial shots in stunning color detail. It's one of the best drone for you. You can buy it. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comments section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for watching more videos.